The Jennings County Amateur Radio Association is in need of your help. Do you know an experienced tower climber? We have 2 jobs coming up very soon, and JCARA needs the assistance of an insured tower climber to carry out the task at both sites. The first site is the site you see on screen, Scipio, Indiana. We're installing a single standalone node on this tower at the 200-foot mark. Everything will be raised into place and bolted onto the side of the tower. The only thing you'll need is your tower climbing gear and a couple of hand tools. The second task at hand is installing a new repeater system at the Freetown tower site. The repeater equipment itself will be installed in the building below the tower at the Freetown site, but antenna work and coax work will be required. Please contact the Jennings County Amateur Radio Association at area code 812-379-8516 or email us at admin@jcara.club. That's admin, ADMIN, @jcara.club.